Going on, Lego fam? Thought we'd come on here and do a review of both Tweety Bird and Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny Lego set 40920. It is 605 pieces. And we got Tweety Bird Lego set 40824, 412 pieces. Both sets are really great. Got no complaints about either one. I built Bugs Bunny and the wife built Tweety Bird. And they're both really cool. They look good together. Build was really fun, actually. Not complicated, not difficult at all. No complaints. And Tweety Bird can actually be displayed off the display stand or on, which I think is very cool. And they look great together. All right, y'all enjoy and build on. Happy building.